Traders, we're looking at GameStop. Now, if you scroll through my videos, you'll see this last video down in here. There's about 20,000 views on this one. That was pretty popular. But in this video, I predicted these moves, and it's played out exactly as I mentioned in the videos. This first one, and then we've got these two here. So I'm just looking at this again now for another opportunity. And yeah, I mean, this has been incredible. If you'd followed my video here, you would have had quite a nice outcome with this. So we'll just get into this one. I want to have a look at where the current price is at the moment. And I mean, look, it's bullish. If we go out to the 4H, we can see clearly now this is trending up. We've got this break of structure, market structure here, break of structure bullish. Higher highs, higher lows. This is really nice price action, and we're getting, you know, these really nice price swings, like so. And so yeah, I mean, I'm looking for another opportunity. I'm going to go down to a 30-minute chart here and get closer to this. And look, as I mentioned in my last video, you want to wait for this to start to rotate. And it's a very, very simple strategy. It could happen here, it might drop a little further, we don't know, but at some stage, you know, even we go, and actually was looking at this price gap, it traded right into it. At some stage, well, actually, here's the thing, look, let's just open this up. See this thin candle here, imbalance? It's traded right into it. Imbalance on the 30-minute. In other words, this is a bullish imbalance. There's nothing left and right of it. And it's one-sided bullish. So imbalance. This is the balance area under, and then this is where it pushed off. It's traded back down, looking to rebalance. It's hit these lows. Yeah, I mean, to the pip, really. We've got a touch on this low here. Exactly. I mean, yeah, the algos, they have these markets sorted out. So we've got this move down, and I'm thinking we could see this continue bullish. But again, you know, you want to wait for price action to shape up. So you could do that on the 30-minute, or we go down to the 15-minute, and it's a really simple process, guys. At the moment, this is trending down, but at some stage, this is going to give us a break of market structure, and I'm looking for it on the 15-minute. Currently, yeah, I mean, let's have a look at this here. Let's grab a line. Okay, so we can see it trading sideways at the moment. The thing to look out for is going to be, you know, we're actually getting it. We've got this shift in the trend potentially. Here, I would like to see this high taken out. More importantly, yeah, I mean, this one over here is, it's a fair way off. I'm thinking that if we see this start to, I mean, we've got the range, and what I want to see is this kick up above this high here to give us a bit of a shift in the trend, and then potentially it drops under, and then we want to see displacement to the upside. Okay, so wait for this to play out. And, you know, you could mark up these key levels back in here. So I would take this range through. Let me just mark that up as a support zone. Like so. Okay, and what have we got under here? Okay, so we've got this price gap that got traded through. And then the next level to consider would be down in here. And under that, I mean, if it, I don't know if it's going to trade down that far, but, you know, you want to mark up these value areas where you see price dropping into. And then when we come over here, what we need to see now is this price action to set up. Now, it could happen here. And you just got to wait for the break of the high, retest and fail of the range high. Okay, breakout, and then retest and fail, break of market structure, and then that could be your cue to enter. This is when it starts to trend north, okay? But now that could happen here, could happen down in here. We've just got to wait for this price action to play out and to give us the setup. In other words, the break of the high of the range, higher highs and higher lows, and then we're in, and that's the cue to get involved long. That's my update on GameStop, guys. And yeah, I mean, look, if you followed that back in here, there's the breakout. I actually got in fairly early with this one. I was looking for the pullback into this price gap, and my buy got triggered here. And this one, I mean, you're looking for, see this break of structure here, or a shift in the trend. It sort of kicked off here, and then it kind of moved. All right. So anyway, back over here. That's what we're looking for, guys. I'd love you to comment. Definitely share your thoughts on this. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.